Elon Musk finds himself at a breaking point, and the catalyst for this moment is none other than the 2026 Tesla Model 2. For months, speculation has swirled about what Tesla's next major step would be, with critics seizing every delay and every shifting timeline as ammunition against Musk. Headlines branding him a liar or a fool have been relentless, and he himself has acknowledged the frustration, once remarking how irritating it is when an article insists that something didn't happen exactly when he said it would, only to use that as evidence against his credibility. Yet beneath all this noise lies a defining moment where Tesla's engineering speaks louder than criticism, and the Model 2 is the proof. More than just another vehicle, it represents Tesla's ability to make electric mobility both affordable and reliable, ushering in innovations that directly tackle the most common fears and concerns of everyday drivers. Central to this vision is Tesla's dual-motor system and next-generation design, a package that makes the Model 2 perhaps the most disruptive Tesla ever built. The dual-motor system itself is nothing short of groundbreaking. Elon Musk has confirmed that the Model 2 will be powered by dual motors delivering around 160 kilowatts in an all-wheel drive configuration. What sets it apart, however, is the patented fault-tolerant wiring network that ensures redundancy inside the car. In practical terms, this means that even if one motor fails, the other continues to function seamlessly, ensuring the driver is never stranded. What makes this engineering achievement even more striking is Tesla's plan to make it a standard feature in a vehicle intended for the mass market, essentially democratizing premium safety features once reserved for luxury cars. The redundancy is reinforced by predictive AI algorithms, over 200 of them, that reduce failure rates by 95% compared to single-motor systems. Each motor is paired with its own 800-volt inverter, meaning that even when one is offline, the system maintains up to 88% of its performance capacity. The transition is virtually imperceptible, occurring within 5 to 10 milliseconds while maintaining highway speeds without interruption. This is not abstract theory, it's real, measurable engineering that translates into peace of mind, particularly for older drivers. Studies reveal that a significant portion of senior drivers cite breakdown anxiety as their biggest concern when considering an electric vehicle. Tesla's solution to this fear is staggering, a failure probability of just 0.002% annually, hundreds of times more reliable than competitors such as the Chevy Bolt. This reliability not only saves money, up to $800 in towing and repair costs over 5 years, but also provides something more valuable, confidence and freedom on the road. The integration of Tesla's Dojo-trained predictive AI takes reliability even further, analyzing streams of data from sensors in real time to predict where and make adjustments before an issue becomes critical. By forecasting component degradation up to 800 miles before failure, the system effectively transforms the Model 2 into a vehicle that anticipates problems before they ever affect the driver. Thermal management is another area where Tesla's engineering stands out. The dual motors share a specialized cooling loop that not only reduces overheating incidents by nearly 2/3 but also recycles waste heat to warm the cabin, extending range in cold weather by as much as 10 miles. For retirees or frequent travelers moving between colder and warmer climates, this feature is particularly practical. Even noise reduction has been engineered with care. Embedded dampers reduce cabin sound levels to just above 50 decibels at highway speeds, a benefit that makes driving more comfortable for seniors who rely on hearing aids. Taken together, these details create an entirely new relationship between car and driver, one defined not by anxiety over potential breakdowns but by trust in a system that feels virtually unshakable. Yet Tesla's vision for the Model 2 goes beyond powertrain redundancy. At its structural core is what Musk describes as a holographic lattice chassis, a frame inspired by bone structures and brought to life through 3D printed composite materials. Measuring just under 14 feet in length with a broad track width of over 6 feet, the design balances compact agility with robust safety. Its strength is immense, delivering over 30,000 pound-feet per degree of torsional rigidity while remaining lighter than comparable vehicles by nearly 20%. This bone-inspired design distributes material density intelligently, with a denser inner core for strength and a porous outer layer to absorb vibrations. The result is not just a quieter ride but also a structure that channels dual-motor torque with heightened efficiency, reducing rollover risks by nearly half for senior drivers. Safety metrics confirm just how revolutionary this chassis is. Impact absorption exceeds that of established sedans like the Toyota Camry, with crash tests projecting structural survival rates far higher than rival EVs such as Volkswagen's ID.3. In fact, Tesla's design may enable the Model 2 to achieve a safety rating unprecedented in the industry. But agility is just as important as protection, and here the lattice chassis excels too. With torque vectoring integrated into the dual-motor system, the Model 2 handles sharp turns and urban driving scenarios with ease, boasting a tighter turning radius than many popular compact cars. For senior drivers who cite parking difficulties as one of their biggest challenges, this agility addresses a very real and practical need. Furthermore, the lightweight structure boosts efficiency, extending range to over 320 miles while reducing energy losses through improved torque transfer. Advanced actuators embedded in the chassis adapt stiffness to road conditions in real time, preventing pothole damage and reducing annual repair costs significantly, an innovation that directly addresses the challenges of aging infrastructure on American roads. Adding to this foundation of strength and adaptability is another striking innovation, a self-healing polymer skin. Tesla's engineers have developed body panels infused with microscopic capsules that release healing agents when scratched, allowing surface blemishes to disappear within days under ordinary sunlight or mild heat. The benefit is twofold. First, the vehicle maintains its aerodynamic shape, keeping drag low and efficiency high. Second, the owner avoids costly maintenance and cosmetic repairs. Tests show that this material retains more than 90% of its structural integrity after healing, meaning it's not just a visual trick but a functional enhancement. Over years of ownership, the savings on bodywork and insurance claims could amount to over $1,000, a significant figure for cost-conscious families and retirees. Aerodynamically, the smooth, self-healing skin contributes to a drag coefficient of just 0.25, making the Model 2 more efficient than many competitors. At highway speeds, this translates to nearly 20 extra miles of driving range. The polymer itself is built to withstand harsh environments, resisting UV degradation and surviving thousands of cycles of salt exposure, ideal for coastal drivers. Embedded nanosensors add another layer of intelligence, detecting damage and alerting the driver when professional repair is needed, a feature that pushes predictive maintenance into the realm of affordability for mainstream vehicles. Altogether, the Model 2 combines engineering feats that, when considered individually, would each be impressive. But taken as a whole, they create a vehicle that doesn't just move people from one place to another but fundamentally reshapes the emotional relationship between driver and machine. Instead of fear, there is reassurance. Instead of compromise, there is harmony between efficiency, safety, and cost. From its dual-motor fail-safe system to its lattice chassis and self-healing skin, the Model 2 reflects Tesla's commitment to innovation not for novelty's sake, but for the tangible benefit of everyday drivers. This is why Elon Musk insists that despite shifting timelines, the work speaks for itself. The Model 2 embodies Tesla's promise to deliver electric mobility that is both affordable and uncompromising, accessible to families and seniors alike. It's not hype, it's engineering precision manifested in a car that could redefine the compact EV market. For all the critics who once doubted Musk's vision, the Model 2 stands as a direct response, not through words, but through breakthroughs that reshape expectations of what a car can be.